Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so I just wanted to show you how it looks like so far, and I wanted to show you how to do this border. Okay, remember on part 3 I showed you how to do the chain, and I showed you a little bit of a peek, but I didn't like the way that was turning out, so I figured how to do this huge bobble edging, and I think it looks nice. What do you guys think? So I'm going to show you how it's done. It's very easy. It does use up lots of yarn, and it goes very fast. So I will show you how it's done. And so far I used 1 pound of cotton yarn, and I opened my second. So if you want to make something bigger than this, just to let you know, you crochet about 3 motifs with the 1 pound, and then you can crochet the 4th, but it's not enough. So if you want to make a bedspread, just grab as many as you can, because it does use up lots of yarn. And I really love how this turned out, how it looks like. Doesn't this look nice? You could make this in different colors. So I'm going to show you how to do this border. It's the bobble border, and I did 3 rows of this chain. So I chain 8 and I went around, chain 8, and just like this I did 3 rows after I finished, just to show you. I haven't ironed or blocked it yet, so after it's blocked, it's going to look better than now. Okay, so let's get started on how to crochet this last row of the bobble border. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I hanged it on the laundry that I hang my laundries because it's pretty big. I haven't measured, but it's over 30 inches, and it's really hard to show. That's why I showed it outside. So this is how it looks like, and it's super easy, but there are a couple of tricks I wanted to share with you. Okay, so let me just grab it. Oops. Okay, so I'm right here where I did my single crochet, and remember I was saying we're doing 8 chains. Okay, just to point that out. Now I'm going to chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so from here I'm going to do a yarn over, and from the 8 I'm going to go down 3 stitches and then poke my crochet hook, just grabbing one of the strands here. So the remaining would be 5 chains. So when we finish this, we need to chain 5 so we can have the equal amount as here. So now we're going, this last row is going to be 5, 5, so 10 chains, just to point that out. Okay, my trick is you grab the strand from here and then you pull like we're doing a bobble stitch. So I pull the first 2 loops and I leave the remaining, and I repeat this total of 5 times. So 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you don't want to count, you just count these loops that you have. So you should have a total of 6. And then I pull the remaining all at once, and I chain 2 chains automatically. So we did one part. Now we're going to do the other part. When we fold it, we need 2 of this. So I'm going to repeat what I did. So I grabbed the yarn, the strand of yarn from here, and I repeat what I did. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I pull at once. Okay, now remember we usually fold it like this. I'm not going to do it that way, so my trick is I'm going to fold it this way. Okay, just to show you. So when I fold it this way, this yarn is going to stay here. Okay, my trick is I hold this and I come here. Can you see? There's this, remember we did one part? We grabbed the one, so the other of the V is here. So I grab that automatically. Grab that strand here. It's here, right here. Okay. And then I pull the yarn from here. See, this is my trick. And that makes it more puffy. And then I chain the remaining 2, 3, 4, 5. And I jump where the we did 7 chain. I think I did 8 chain because I increased it the more I went, because I did 3 rows. So you need to increase it. So I just grab and make a single crochet. Okay, and then you will see that your bobble is puffier and huge, and it gives weight and it looks fantastic. See how it looks like? So this is my trick. So let me show it again, and you repeat this all the way to the end. I chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I go yarn over and I go down. So 1, 2, 3, and then you should have 5 chain remaining, and I pull it. So I make a total of 5. Repeat this over and over. 2. You don't have to count. Let's say you didn't count. You're watching a movie. And then you just go 3, 6. Okay, then I pull it. I chain 2. And I grab this strand here. And I repeat this. Two, 3, 4, and 5, and I pull them all together, and I fold it this way, and I keep my yarn this way, and then I just grab that other strand here, right here, you can find it, and you just pull 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then go to the next, and you repeat this over and over, just like that. So let me show it one more time. Let me just grab some water. My throat is so dry because it's pretty hot today. Okay, I just wanted to point out I do not have a written pattern. I'm already getting comments. Can you send me a written pattern? If you want me to sit down and write a written pattern, it takes me 2-3 days to write a pattern like this, because there's so many steps and secrets to write down, as I'm showing on the tutorials. If you wanted me to write a pattern, I'm going to charge $10, and you have to pay me first so I can send you the written pattern. So please do not write comments asking for a written pattern, because I do not have a written pattern. If someone pays me, I will happy to sit down and write the pattern and email it to you. But first you need to pay me. These tutorials are free because I love to show what I'm doing alive. Sitting writing patterns is not easy. Okay, I just want to point that out. So I already got a comment. I hope you're watching this tutorial. I do not have a written pattern. Pay me first, so I will send you the pattern. Okay, so I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to go to the third and then pull it Then repeat what I did. So over and over. It's so fun. And you can use your stash of yarn. 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 6. And pull them all at once. Chain 2. And then repeat this. 1, 2, 3, just a popcorn stitch, a bobble stitch. This is called a bobble stitch. So I have 2, 4, 5 and one more. Okay, and I have 6 and I pull them all at once. Automatically fold it like this, not this way. See, you will see the difference when you fold it this way. It gives that puffness. And then hold your strand this way, and then grab that from here. Grab that strand, the other V of that. Grab it, and then pull it like this, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give the same tension when you're chaining down, because I noticed I was chaining tighter than here, so this part was smaller, so give it the same tension. And then I repeat this over and over. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I wanted to show you how to do this bobble edge. Again, after I finished, I did total of 3 rows. Can you see the color change difference? One is pure white, one is a little bit darker than white, so it's off-white. Yeah, it's hard to see, but I can see it. So I did 1, 2, 3, and doing my 4th. Gives a nice texture, and then these bobble stitches matches the popcorn, bigger than that, and then it will give weight and it shows off. So that's why I wanted to show you. There's a couple of secrets, techniques to give this puffness, and it looks elegant. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any comments, please leave them below. I'm reviewing every comment from now because I am getting these weird messages. So as soon as I see those weird messages, I flag them. But other than that, I usually reply to every comment. I am getting more, I'm getting star from YouTube because I'm commenting. I'm replying back to the comments. So I think that's a good thing. Yeah, you learn these stuff, right? Before I don't think I ever replied to any comments because I didn't know how to. And then you learn them. So this is how you do this lovely stitch, bobble border. Let me just lay it down and show it to you. Oops, it's pretty heavy, like I said. And this is how it looks like. I think you can see the color difference, right? So be sure to buy the same. See, before I didn't know, I grabbed whatever was on sale and I didn't pay attention, but now I'm looking at the colors. As you can see, this is pure white. Well, this is going to be the border, so maybe that will give it a nice look. Yeah, so yeah, buy the same dye of yarn that you want if you're going out for shopping. And yeah, I think it looks fantastic. So again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends. Happy crocheting. Again, stay home, stay safe, be cautious. Even when you go out, I try to stay far away from people. You never know, maybe they are a carrier. Like, I haven't been out, so I haven't been with people, so I haven't got the virus. And I don't want to catch it. You know, I already have health problems, And I don't want to add this to that as well. And I don't want to die young. Well, I'm not young, but I want to see my grandkids, right? Okay. So again, stay home, stay safe, be healthy, take care, and wish you the all happy crocheting.